Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of our Power BI learning series with Dave K. Learner, a bit forward daily. Today we will learn about the publishing report to Power BI services. Once again, I started with the beginner's guide to mQuery. Simple start with basic. But then I realized that giving you one round of introduction for everything would be good. So I'm just moving over to the today's session, which is to publish the Power BI services. So we have covered all these topics. If you are just watching this video and you have not seen the other videos in the series, please go through them. Tomorrow we'll be talking about some more concepts out there, but today let's do it. Publish to the Power BI. So what is the objective? Learn how to publish your Power BI desktop reports to Power BI services, enabling online access and sharing collaboration. So let's just open the Power BI that we had created, uh, Power BI desktop, to show the report that we had created on yesterday, that is 9th. I'll just wait for it to open. This is taking some time because I did not keep it open earlier. So this is the report, and we want to take this report into the Power BI service. So there is one option going to the file, and then you click on here as publish. So once you click on the publish to Power BI, it will ask you for the username and the password. But let's not do it like this. Let's do it in a different way. So we can publish it from uh, Power BI services as well. So let me take you there into the Power BI services. All right. To take you there, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to escape, and I will show you that you can go to powerbi.com to open the Power BI services. Power BI services are something which has been created by Microsoft in cloud. It's a service being created by them. It's a SaaS that has been created by them. Software as a service. In this, we can upload various things, but for you, when you'll be logging in for the first time, you might have to sign in, right, and then get enrolled for the free trial once you have done that. So as I was saying that we'll talk about publishing. So what I can do is, as I told you, that we can click on the publish on the report which we want to publish in the Power BI. Else what I can do is I can go to workspaces, and you will see my workspace, and that is once you get registered, my workspace is for everyone. So what you can do from here is you can click on import and import from this computer. So I'll go into the divtemp demo and look for uh, video day 9, right? So there are two of them. This is sample, this is report. So I'll just click on this and click on OK. It will take some time and it will upload the report for you. So it creates two things for you. One is the video. One is the report, and the other one is the semantic model. Semantic model is basically the data model that we are talking about. Let's just open up the report and see how we see the report. So this report is shown on the Power BI services. So there are two things that I informed you, that every time that you work on the report, you can, if you want to share it with everyone, you need to publish it in the Power BI service, but there are ways to do it. One is this: by clicking on publish, you can publish it. if you're already signed in there. The other way is you can go into the workspace, you will find my workspace, and then import to import it from the computer. So once you have done that, um, you can open up the report. Now I see I have two pages here, right? The second page is page we created but is not used, right? So either what I can do is I can go into the Power BI, update and publish it again. Or else what I can do is I can edit it from here by clicking on edit, and then I'll see two pages. I'll do a right click on this and click on hide. So the moment I click on hide and I save it and then go to reading view, you will see I don't see the two pages now. I only see one page, which is page 1. Now, if you want to share this with your friends, right, or with your colleagues, what you can do is you can click on share. If they are in the same domain and they have the Power BI Pro license or the premium license, what we can do is we can share it with them. Let's see, I have a user in this company with the name of Pradeep. If he's there, what I can do is I can share it. So here I have a choice as well. How do I want to share it? Allow recipient to share the report, allow recipient to build content with the data associated with the report. I don't want to do that. So I'll just remove both the checkboxes. And then I have already talked about Pradeep's, and I'll click on apply and include my changes. Yeah, and click on send. So this has been sent. An email would have received by Pradeep. And what we can do is I can go to my workspace again, go to the report, and in the report, what I can do is I can see manage permissions for this report, and you will see that who has access. Pradeep has access because we have given them the read permission. If I want to remove Pradeep, what I can do is I can click on here and I can manage access. I can give him the access that I was talking about removing it, or what I can do is I can do a right click and delete it. So the moment I delete it, he will not be having the access. Let's quickly talk about one more thing, and then we would be closing this video. So if I am in the report, right, there is another concept which we have in the Power BI called dashboard. So if you like any of those visual filter or anything that you want to move to a dashboard, what you can do is you can do a right click on it, or in fact you can click on the spin visual. Once you click on the pin visual, it will ask you that how do you want to do, what do you want to do, you want to pin to dashboard. Select an existing. If it have existing dashboard, if I click here, you will see the list of existing dashboard, but since we don't have it, so we'll have to give it a name for the first time. So I'll say div k learner. Oh, I'm sorry, I did not see it. I have pressed the caps lock. So div k learner db, right, dash dboard. I know that's not a good name, but what I'm trying to do is just giving the idea that we can create a dashboard and we can pin it there. So you can click on go to dashboard and you will come to the dashboard and you will be seeing that control. Here also I have the privilege that I can increase, I can reduce the size. There's another question called Q&A, right? I'll talk about that, but it is like based on AI. So this is how you can pin a visual to the dashboard. We can also create an app, but that we might be talking in a different video. So these are all the things. So you see I've got a dashboard now here as well. So I can click on this and go to the dashboard. come back to my workspace and I can see all the items which are there. So with this, what we have learned today is what we have covered today. We'll see it from here, right? So what we have done is we have learned how to publish the report, right? You can yeah, you can sign in into the Power BI. I told you that how you need to access the powerbi.com, right? For now, we have worked on the My Workspace. Very soon, I'll be creating some videos to explain what workspaces are. And we also saw that how we can upload the report and how we can share it, right? These are all the things that I wanted to cover. Now, the key concept that we covered is that publishing a report moves it from a local system to the Power BI online. So, why we are doing that? So that we can share it across the team, might be in internal team or the external team, and we can provide them secure access, right? And we can ask them or collaborate with them to create meaningful things there. Now, the day tomorrow, the 11th day, we'll be talking about the setup, scheduled, refresh. So that is what we are going to talk about. But for that, I'll be creating a different report. Let's wait till tomorrow for that, right? So there's one more thing which I'm doing. I'm opening the questions for everyone. You can ask me any question, and for that questions we have kept the for that question. I'm sorry, I think I did this, but I'll just show you. That webinar is crossed now, so don't register the webinar. But for the questions, you can ask us free questions, and that is the information that we have for the free questions. So again, before we end, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow for more daily learning. And thanks for watching. Please share it with someone whom we can help or who requires any help, so that he can increase and enhance, and we can become a better, bigger community. So once again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.